Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Talk with Zone Off-Road. I'm Andy. Today we're going to talk about upper control arms. So on the table in front of me, we've got a couple different upper control arms. We've got 3 of our heavy-duty upper control arms, and then I've got a stock one here for comparison. So one of the main things that an upper control arm is going to do is provide you with a better ball joint angle. So when you lift your vehicle, you're changing the angles on your control arms, your upper, your lower, among other things. But on an upper control arm, when it's mounted stock on a vehicle, the ball joint is generally straight up and down. Now when you lift it, you've now changed it so that the angle is more severe. So by putting an aftermarket upper control arm on, like a heavy-duty Zone one, you're able to keep that angle, but as you can see, keep the ball joint straight. All of ours are a box design. Everyone's a little bit different, but they're definitely some high strength arms. We are giving you a vulcanized OE style rubber bushing. We're doing that for longevity. We're not using a poly bushing that requires greasing and maintenance and replacing every year or 10,000 miles or something. This thing is gonna last for a long time. The other thing that we're doing is we're doing a heavy duty ball joint that's greasable. Some of them are greased through the red cap, others you remove the red cap and the greaser is inside. Either way, easy to maintain. All right, so over here on the truck, we've got one of our Adventure Series kits installed. This has got one of our heavy duty upper control arms on it. As you can see, like I said, easily remove the red cap, greaser it in here for regular maintenance. Other thing that an upper control arm is gonna do is going to be increase your droop limit. And by doing that, every upper control arm has got a droop limiter installed on the frame that the upper control arm is going to hit to stop down travel. Now that severely limits what we're able to do with a lift and also what we're able to do with wheel travel. So by putting an aftermarket upper control arm on like our Zone heavy duty ones, we're able to increase that distance there, which gets us more down travel and also a better ride quality. Now, if necessary, the control arm is also going to come with a tab for the brake line to attach to if it had one there from the OE. All right, so that's all the basics of an upper control arm. Again, with a Zone heavy-duty upper control arm, it's going to give you increased droop travel, better ball joint angle, and longevity with the rubber bushings and greasable ball joints. Now, if you have any questions on upper control arms or anything else tech-related, feel free to give us a shout on social media or send us an email at tech-zone@ridefox.com. We're always looking for ideas for other things to do tech videos on, so we want to hear from you. Let us know what you want.